In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a brand new purchase order. To begin, we click the Navigator button here, Adnams, Procurement, Non-Stock Procurement, Enter and Revise Non-Stock Purchase Orders. From this screen here, we click the green Add button, and we fill out the information at the top. The first box is supplier. You may already know the supplier number, in which case you can type it in this box. I'll also show you how to search as well. We click the grey magnifying glass to the right of the box. We change the search type to a V and click this search button here. This will bring up all of the suppliers. Search through by clicking this arrow to go to the next page. To bring up every single supplier on the system, we click Go to End. You'll be able to search through. They're in alphabetical order. There's quite a few on there, so if you already know the name of the supplier, you could type it into the name search box. Click the search button and bring up the supplier. To select, you click the green tick. And that's your supplier number there. The next box is the ship to address. This is where you want the purchase order to be sent to. Similar to before, you click the magnifying glass to the right of the box, but this time we change the search type to an F. Again, click the search button. This will bring up all the facilities. This button, you can go to the next page, and similar to before, to go to the end and bring up all the facilities, you can click this button. For this example, I'm going to select Seller Service. So a green tick to select that. This is all the information that you need to fill in on the top part. If you wanted to add any text or any files to the purchase order, click Order Attachment, and it gives you the option to add text files, a website. For this example, we'll use text. So, please deliver as soon as possible. To save this, you click the green Save button. To delete this, you can click the Bin button, and to close this, you can select Cancel here. So save that. To complete the order, we just need to actually add an item to it. So make sure you filled out all of the boxes you need to here, because once we click down into the item number, these become unable to be edited. So for this example, I will show you how to add an item that's already on the system. So again, we click the magnifying glass to the right of the box. To bring up every item that's already on the system, we click this magnifying glass here. As before, you could bring them all up and search through using these navigation buttons. If you know the name of the item that you want to add, you can also search that. You just have to make sure you put stars at the beginning and the end of the text. Press the search button. This will bring up all of the items that have that text in their name. So let's go for the Angrum Brass Beer Engine. Select it and click the green tick. In this type of example, the only boxes that you need to fill in is the quantity ordered, so let's go for 3, and the request date. So we can click the little calendar at the right of the box, and let's go for next day delivery. If we click the row below, the program will pre-populate all of the information, so description, unit of measure, the unit cost, etc. So once we've done, we can click the green tick to OK that. And here is our purchase order number, 217. So remember that. We exit out of this screen here. And then we need to send the purchase order to the supplier. So to do that, we can either click this button here, the Find button, to bring up all of the orders that are on the system, or, as we know, the purchase number, we can type that into here, 217, and search. So there's my order there that I just made. You can double check by looking at the supplier name and line description, etc. So to send that to the supplier, we right click on the order, click Print Order, This will be set up as your default printer. Click the green tick. And what that will do is send the order via email to the supplier, or any authorization that needs to be done to your manager. If it's over your authorization limit, that will also send an email to them too. To check that the order has been sent, you can click the Find button again to refresh. So the status should be 280, which means that it has been authorized. To complete, X out of the screen.